like working here because every day presents a challenge and it's fun. Every day's a little different.
I like coming to Nick's work every day because, I don't know, I like the atmosphere.
Work that matters. The variety of work, the family atmosphere.
You're not doing the same thing every day.
You know, just a variety of different projects we work on. Never know what's going to come through the door.
I get challenged with some of the jobs I do, and the culture, I think it makes people want to do better work.
I feel valued because my opinion matters, that my expertise matters.
I would say the people. I get to spend time with a different business unit almost every day, and just the interactions I get to have with all the different people. It just keeps it fun, keeps it different every day. And
everybody's pretty jovial. Everybody's pretty nice to each other. We like to, mess around and make jokes and stuff.
The camaraderie here is just unmatched from anywhere I've ever been. Everybody gets along and works together really well.
Really rewarding to see the things that we've sketched out or drawn in a 3D model and see them kind of come to life.
I like coming to work at Nick's every day because I believe I grow both professional and personally.
I find fulfillment in working in a place with my friends where I feel valued.
We all motivate each other and push to reach our deadlines and get things out on time.
Willing and wanting to succeed in what we do, and they don't want to see anybody fall behind. So anybody's going to pick up the slack, help each other out.
From the time I started to right now, I've seen this entire expansion wasn't here whenever I started. I got to see all that happen. I got to build little parts to it. And I've seen it grow, and I have faith that it'll just keep growing.
My favorite part of working at Nick's, this is a job I've been doing forever. It's just a continuation of it. It's the same challenges, the same kind of work, same people I've been working with for a long time. I don't know what I'd do if I didn't have it.